Travel at low cost with points and miles. Credit card rewards bring the smiles. Many adventures, tales to be told. Make and save money, the world will unfold. Fight the war on happiness, pick up the gold. The Gurdy Travel Podcast breaks the mold.
You're listening to the Hurdy Travel Podcast. I'm your host, Justin Vacula, here to help you travel the world at next to no cost with credit card points, miles, benefits, and loyalty programs. Thanks for joining me for today's episode, Profit and Earn Status from Caesars Online Blackjack. I read a recent article I wrote for TravelZork.com, Loyalty and Points Corner. These shorter episodes will provide content between full-length episodes. Visit meetup.com/Philly, miles and points to RSVP for monthly Greater Philadelphia travel, credit miles and points meetups I host in Willow Grove, Pennsylvania. The next meetups are June 22nd and July 13th, 2025. Find a link in the show notes. For more content between podcast episodes, follow Hurdy Travel Podcast on Facebook and X. Follow Justin Vacula on Instagram. Subscribe to Hurdy Travel Podcast on YouTube for daily content, including travel videos, podcast clips, community, and posts. On with today's episode, recorded June 21st, 2025. Want to make money and earn Caesars Rewards tier credits playing online blackjack? Caesars online gambling websites can turn small deposits into profit and status with low risk. 3 Caesars-affiliated gambling websites, Horseshoe, Caesars Palace, and Caesars Sportsbook in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Michigan, and possibly other states, regularly offer profitable promotions. Casino bonus matches and deposit matches, as they advertise, allow for stacking with prepaid card deposits and the use of debit cards that give cashback rewards. You can fund Caesar sites with ACH deposits using funds from a checking account, but a better route is to deposit with prepaid cards, purchased with credit cards, that offer rewards in bonus categories, such as grocery stores or office supply stores. Sadly, Caesars limits the amount of prepaid cards you can use to fund your account, and even after deleting payment methods, the system seems to remember used cards for several weeks. Some cashback debit cards might also work, but some banks have limited those as well. In the worst case scenario, you can ACH funds in, but you'll still gamble with an edge, considering bonuses. One promotion gave a $20 bonus on a $40 deposit, which required a 10x playthrough. See terms for details on bonuses. Because America loves math, Caesars doesn't tell you the amounts you need to gamble, but provides a formula, specified max deposit, plus a bonus times playthrough. In this case, 40 plus 20 in parentheses times 10 would require $600 in playthrough to clear the bonus. Playing Caesars online blackjack multi-hand surrender game, you'll give up about 0.5% in wagers in the long run. With $600 in playthrough, you'll expect to lose about $3, but you'll be awarded a $20 bonus for a total of about $17 in expected value and possibly extra rewards if you earn cash back on the deposit or liquidate prepaid cards that you sourced with an advantage using credit. In addition to earning positive expected value on bonuses, you'll also earn some reward credits or comps on your play and, more importantly, tier credits towards Caesars reward status. Tier accumulation is slow. My understanding is 1 tier credit per $50 wagered, but this can help add to other tier credit accumulation, especially when gambling bonuses stack with tier credit multiplier promotions. You may see $17 win as a small amount, but the process should be quick and repeatable multiple times per week. In my experience, I can only redeem 1 bonus per day across different Caesar sites, but even 5 $17 wins a week with bonus tier credits is nice, clicking buttons from the comfort of my home or hotel room, following basic strategy for a few minutes. I'll gladly take a bonus $340 per month in tier credits for very low effort. Caesars online blackjack bonuses are a good opportunity for low-risk profit that can help you rise in status levels with Caesars rewards. Plan your funding, follow bonus requirements by embracing the math, stick to basic strategy, and don't play more than you must. If you live in a state that offers online blackjack, consider adding more wins to your arsenal. As always, gamble responsibly and use credit intelligently. Thanks for listening and stay tuned for future episodes. Some closing announcements. Ticket sales for Zorkfest 2025, a miles, points, and gambling event, are live at zorkfest.travelzork.com. I hope to see you at Zorkfest 2025 in Las Vegas, December 5th through the 7th at M Resort Casino Hotel. I'll also be speaking at Chicago Seminars, Hyatt Regency O'Hare, November 7th through the 9th. Use promo code Gurdy when buying a ticket to support me. Also join me from October 24th through the 26th, 2025, for Chicago Seminars Holiday Inn Chicago Oak Brook. Use promo code I must have a promo code 20 for $20 off tickets. Visit meetup.com/Philly miles and points to RSVP for monthly Greater Philadelphia travel. Credit miles and points meetups I host in Willow Grove, Pennsylvania. The next meetups are June 22nd and July 13th, 2025. Find a link in the show notes. For more content between podcast episodes, follow Hurdy Travel Podcast on Facebook and X. Follow Justin Vacula on Instagram. Subscribe to Hurdy Travel Podcast on YouTube for daily content, including travel videos, podcast clips, community, and posts. Search Hurdy Travel on subscribestar.com or become a channel member on YouTube to support my efforts starting at the $5 a month tip jar level. Receive special perks at higher subscriber levels, including private one-on-one conversations and asking podcast guests your questions. Find links and more at hurdygurdytravel.com. I'm now an affiliate with Card Pointers. Use my affiliate link, cardpointers.com/hurdygurdytravel, for a discount on annual and lifetime plans. Card Pointers has a great app and browser tools to automatically activate credit card linked offers from various banks to maximize your savings. The website udio.com, created the podcast intro and outro music. It's not me singing. AI features of the website Descript helped me edit and improve audio quality. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.
Travel at low cost with points and miles. Credit card rewards bring the smiles. Many adventures, tales to be told. Make and save money, the world will unfold. Fight the war on happiness, pick up the gold. The Gurdy Travel Podcast breaks the mold.